Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Nikhil Nasta, founder and CEO Eyesight Eye Care and Surgery. Today I'm going to talk to you about sports related injuries to the eye. We all love sports. I personally love swimming, I love horse riding, I love cricket, football, you name it, I want to play it. A lot of sports people land up with injuries to the eyes because they are not careful when they are playing or they are not using the right equipment. So let's go through what are the most common things that can happen. If you're into water sports or swimming, you can land up with a lot of allergies to the eyes. Chlorine allergy. Simple. All you need to do is make sure you're not going to do too much underwater and swimming activities without wearing your swimming goggles. So get a nice pair of swimming goggles which are anti-fogging and make sure they wrap around the entire area, fit snugly, and no chlorine water enters into the eye. If the allergy persists, you must visit your eye specialist for the correct treatment. Suppose you are talking about high impact sports like cricket, football, basketball, ping pong, and so many others where there's a fast moving, like a racket sport. The common injuries that happen here are corneal abrasions. Typically, badminton players, where the shuttlecock hits the eye, you're looking up, it went into the eye and it scraped off the top layer of the cornea. This is called a corneal abrasion. Abrasion means just like you have a scratch on the skin, this is a scratch on the upper surface of the eye. This would be treated with some drops and with a patch which is placed for 24 to 48 hours. You have to visit your ophthalmologist to get it treated correctly. Another form of injury that can happen is when you have like a punching injury or an impact injury, a blunt trauma. That may result in a black eye. Like a blood collection here and here, a puffy, angry looking eye with a lot of redness. If you have this, you must visit your ophthalmologist because we need to check for fractures, we need to check for inner injuries and permanent damage. We have to check out for retinal detachment. The retina is the back layer of the eye. Sometimes this gets damaged. If this happens, then we need to treat it on an emergency basis. So remember, if you're playing any sport, your coaches will help you decide what is the right way to protect your eyes. You may want to wear glasses which are a full frame, snug fit, usually with a plastic glass on it which is shatterproof. You may want to wear swimming goggles, you may want to wear helmets, guards, and so on and so forth. So you can play, you can enjoy, but make sure that you enjoy responsibly and save your eyes. Thank you.